Our next speaker is from Highcon. Eddie Peters flew all the way from overseas to tell us their latest developments on the digital converting machine.
Where did I fly from? Out of space. Hey guys, thank you all for staying that late, and I would like to thank FEFCO for the spotlight and also for arranging my biggest birthday party. That's the biggest audience I've ever had on my birthday, so thank you all.
Happy birthday.
My name is Eddie Perets, I'm with Highcon, and today I'm here to present the Highcon Beam 2C Nonstop, higher throughput for longer runs. In a nutshell, Highcon delivers digital converting solution for folding carton and corrugated, both packaging and display. Highcon users are enjoying faster turnaround times with minimal costs using no dies or tooling. And they do it with these platforms. So on the top left side, you'll see the Euclid series. These are more adapted for short runs, while the beams at the bottom and also the nonstop is adapted to short to medium runs, and both platforms, all configuration with no tooling, again, with shorter turnaround times and no limitation on minimum order quantity. The Beam 2C max format is 760 by 1060 in millimeters. It can go with 1 to 4 millimeters in flutes, so it means F to C flute, including double wall E flute. The maximum rated speed is 4,000 sheets an hour. And obviously, when you don't have to wait on dies, setup takes just 10 minutes. All our platforms comes with a CAD Light editor. We do have bundle with Tilia Labs or ESCO right now, which is very nice tool for imposition AI. It's very sophisticated, and it allows more efficiency downstream, especially if you try to gang or try to combine different products on one sheet, and then therefore minimizing the setups on press. Other stuff that we have on these platforms, so variable data cutting, mark registration, and internal scrap removal. Both configurations of the Highcon Beam 2C work well on our customer sites, proving core value proposition of Highcon and great fit for their job mix. The Nonstop shows more agility for longer runs, and it does not require to stop for pallet changes. The right tool for the right job chart right here explains the gap Highcon solution bridge. The nonstop configuration offers higher throughput with longer runs, almost doubling the capacity of a pallet-based configuration. Each configuration to support different needs. Not only Highcon addresses short to medium run challenge, but also complements other assets and free them to focus on what they were designed for, which is most of the time longer runs. Being just another tool in your toolbox. Well, enough said, let's just see it in action. There is no audio, so I'm gonna speak through this video. So this is a bottom feeder right here, which is probably industry standard. It can be hooked up to a pre-feeder right into the dart making process, which is basically the digital die. You do it inline and on the fly. Again, no tooling. Then we go to the dynamic laser cutting. You can see 3 dots bouncing around, cutting very quick through the corrugated. Then automated internal scrap removal, and this can also be hooked up to your central waste system. QC tray on the fly, and then goes to a continuous stack, which can be hooked up to your conveyor, and it can go with both configuration, with or without the pallet. Here you can see the automated mechanism to replace those skids as it goes out. This just one slide to recap all the non-stop features again. If you have more questions about the core technology, how we make the crease, how we cut, how sophisticated the laser algorithm is, and the core technology of Highcon, feel free to reach out. Here is my details and Jorgen's. He was speaking here earlier on this very stage. Come meet us tomorrow at booth 37. And again, thank you all for coming. Thank you for staying that late. Thank you, FEFCO. It was amazing.
Thank you, Eddie.